Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm gonna talk about how to trim videos on iPhone and how we can do it. So you can do this on all the models, and so let me directly get into it. iPhone 17 varana. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to trim videos on iPhone 17 models. So let's get started. So what you need to do is we just need to first, either you can go to the photos and find the video that you wanted to trim, or you can directly go over here in the camera and you'll be having the last video that you took over here in the camera. You can use both are fine. So what I'm going to, let me go to the photos and select the video that you wanted to. So this is the video, right? So if I wanted to trim this particular video, what I need to do is, first of all, what I need to do is just go over here. At the bottom you can see there is an icon called this particular icon over here at the bottom. Tap on that particular icon, and right now that's going to take you to this. Now we have a timeline on both ends. So what you need to do is just use your finger and move from this left to right like this. So you can see a yellow icon is bubbled, yellow kind of thing is bubbled there. Now I need to go over here in the right, and I need to move from there to left. So go over here like this. So right now I trimmed a portion, so let me do it a little bit more. So I trimmed a particular portion. So the yellow portion is what I left, and rest two black kind of things over here on the both side is being trimmed. So once you trim the video as per your need and the requirement, once you've done it, you can just go over here, done option over here at the top. And now we can go to save video. So what happens is the particular video is being trimmed and the duration is being changed right now. So right now the video is being trimmed, and this is how we can do it, right? So we can do it, and this is how we can do it, how we can kind of trim video on your iPhone 17 models. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.